All right, now we're going to finish up our segment here on Money Math with our independent practice. So we are going to be in a toy store. The first two items that we are going to purchase are a teddy bear and a chess set. The teddy bear costs $8.42, while the chess set only costs $3.22. Please add up the items and then respond appropriately. Okay, good job. If you've got the answer correct, you will have noticed that as correct on our Ed puzzle. All right, the next two items we decide to purchase are the Barbie doll, and then Barbie needs a car to go in, so we are also going to purchase the car. So the car costs $4.11, while Barbie costs $7.65. So add those up and then answer correctly on the Ed puzzle quiz question. All right, next we have the robot and the Minion figurine. The Minion figurine is $2.05, while the robot is $8.11. Go ahead and add those up on your own there and check out the Ed puzzle question to see if you got it correctly. All right, the next question is going to be building blocks that cost $3.33. And while we're at the toy store, we also decide to go to the aquarium and find a goldfish for $9.45. All right, so please add up those and fill in the quiz question with the correct response. And lastly, we have a top and a wagon. So the top costs $6.10, while the wagon costs $7.42. Go ahead and add those up. This is the end of the Money Math module. If you feel that you got less than 4 out of 5 correct responses, I would check back at the first module and kind of review that a little bit more and reach out to me if you have any questions. All right, thank you.